Question number 2. Mohammed has a summer job working at a campground. He is roping off a rectangular swimming area on the beach at Swan Lake Beach. In the equipment shed, Mo found a rope with 50 buoys, equally spaced at 6 feet intervals and 4 support stakes to anchor the buoy rope. Now, it's shown us a picture of what the buoys are, and so these are the floaty things, and then in between, we've got 6 feet. This is a diagram of our swimming area. We've got the beach and then the swimming here. So we know that this is going to only be a 3-sided figure that we're enclosing. So let me call this my width, and then this is different, and this is my length. So let's write the equations that I have. I'm going to first just use the buoys in terms of segments. 50 buoy segments. So that's considered my perimeter. Perimeter is 2 widths plus length, and we have the perimeter is also equal to 50 segments. The next part, I have area. The area of a rectangle, we have length times width. So we are going to first take our perimeter equation, simplify it into one statement. So 50 is equal to 2W plus L. Let's rewrite this. So I have 50 minus 2W is equal to L. And now I'm going to substitute it into my area equation to optimize. So area is equal to 50 minus 2W times W. When I expand it, I have 50W minus 2W squared. So we have this area, and I'm going to optimize it by using Desmos. Pull out my calculator. Let's type in our equation. I have 50x minus 2x squared. Okay, so this one is a bit beyond the scope of my view. So I'm just going to change my X and Y axes to see if I can find the end. Okay, so we find the vertex of this parabola, and I have 12.5 and 312.5. Let's graph that here. I just know it's very steep, 12.5 and 312.5. So our y, in this case, is our area. So our y coordinate tells us the maximum area they could have. Our x coordinate is the width. And our graph has shown us that our vertex, or the maximum width, is going to be 12.5. So if it's 12.5, I know that my length equation, if I look back up here, 50 minus 2W is equal to our length. We're going to substitute that in. 50 minus 2 times 12.5, 50 minus 25, and our length is 25 meters. So the dimension is 12.5 by 25. But, by 25. But the thing is, we know that each of these segments is worth 6 meters. So I need to convert these segments into meters. So 12.5 times 6 meters. 12.5 times 6, we have 75. And 25 times 6, 150. So really, I could rewrite this as 150 meters, and our other side, 75 meters. Okay, now our area is 75 times 150, and we have 11,250 meters squared of swimming area.